Last month, an F-150 owner got hit with a $4,700 repair bill. Crazy part? The problem started with a part that cost less than a tank of gas. Most owners spend money on the wrong upgrades. Meanwhile, the cheapest upgrades are often the ones that prevent the biggest repair bills. I'm RJ, 20 years working on Fords. Here are 7 cheap F-150 upgrades almost nobody talks about, but every owner should know. Let's get into it. Number 7, LED interior bulb swap. The cheapest upgrade on this list is also the one you'll notice every single night you drive the truck. This one costs $25 to $40 and takes about 20 minutes. And the first time you flip on the dome light after doing it, you'll wonder how you tolerated the truck before. The factory incandescent bulbs in an F-150 produce dim, yellowish light that makes reading anything in the cab at night genuinely difficult. LED replacements produce crisp white light, around 6,000 Kelvin, that transforms the entire interior. Dome light, map lights, stepwell lights, cargo bed light. Every position becomes dramatically brighter. It genuinely makes a work truck interior feel like a higher trim level. LED bulbs draw about 1/15 the power of the incandescent bulbs they replace. That matters if you're doing paperwork in the cab at a job site with the engine off. They run cooler, and quality LEDs are rated for 30 to 50,000 hours. You'll replace the truck before you replace the bulbs. Installation on most F-150 models is a simple twist or push with no tools required. Fitment varies by year and trim, so companies like Precision LED make model-specific kits that list exactly which bulb goes in which socket for your configuration. Under $40 for the whole interior. 20 minutes, $40, the interior feels like a completely different truck at night. Number 6, tailgate assist damper. Every time your tailgate slams open, it's doing more damage than most owners realize. That heavy steel panel dropping with full force sends shock through the latch mechanism, the cables, and the hinges, thousands of times over the life of the truck. It's what leads to premature cable fraying and latch wear that most owners never connect back to the slam. Tailgate cables on an F-150 aren't expensive individually, but replacing worn cables, latches, and hardware can easily run a couple of $100s in parts and labor, for a problem that a $30 strut prevents entirely. A tailgate assist damper is a hydraulic strut that controls the descent. Pull the latch and the gate lowers smoothly and silently instead of crashing open. Ford sells an OEM version for many 2021 and newer F-150s. Check your specific year and build at the dealer or a Ford parts retailer, around $40 or $50. Install time is under 30 minutes with a Torque T50 socket. For 2015 through 2020 models, aftermarket brands like DZ and Barricade make external struts that bolt to existing mounting points on the left side of the tailgate. No drilling required. These run $25 to $35, and multiple owners report the aftermarket version actually gives a softer, more controlled lowering action than the OEM unit. If you use your bed regularly, hauling materials, loading gear, strapping down an ATV, this becomes the single most used upgrade on the entire truck. You interact with the tailgate every time you work. $30. The tailgate works the way it should have from the factory. Number 5, magnetic drain plug. Your factory oil drain plug is a standard steel bolt. It drains the oil, that's all it does. A magnetic drain plug replaces it with an identical bolt that has a strong neodymium magnet on the tip, sitting inside the oil pan, right where oil collects before it circulates back through the engine. Every oil change, that magnet catches microscopic metal particles that your filter can't trap. Quality oil filters do an excellent job capturing the majority of particles circulating in your oil, but very fine metallic particles will still make it through and circulate between changes. The magnetic plug catches them before they keep making the same trip through your bearings, valve train, and turbo system, holding them against the magnet instead of letting them run laps through the engine. Here's what makes this upgrade a diagnostic tool as much as a maintenance item. Every oil change, pull the plug and read it. Clean magnet means healthy internals. Fine gray paste is normal wear. Heavy accumulation or visible metallic chunks is your early warning. Catch it now instead of finding out when the damage is already compounded. Fumoto makes a quality unit for $19 to $23. Generic neodymium plugs on Amazon run $8 to $12. Critical detail: confirm the correct thread pitch for your specific engine and year before ordering. Thread pitch varies by application. Verify before you buy. Wrong thread pitch means a stripped oil pan, and that's a repair nobody wants. $8 to $20. A free engine health report every oil change for the life of the truck. Number 4. Fumoto Quick Drain Oil Valve. If you change your own oil, this is the upgrade that makes the job easier, faster, cleaner, and eliminates one of the most common ways an F-150 ends up needing an expensive repair. The Fumoto valve replaces your factory drain plug with a brass lever-operated valve that threads directly into the oil pan. No adapters, no modifications. Flip the lever and the oil drains cleanly. No tools required for the actual drain, no wrestling with a plug that's been over-tightened, and no risk of cross-threading aluminum oil pan threads. The last point matters more than most owners think. Stripped oil pan threads are a real problem. Shops see it regularly. Repair means a helicoil insert at best, or a new pan at worst. The Fumoto valve eliminates that risk permanently. Part number F-106N fits many common F-150 configurations. Verify compatibility for your specific engine and year. Runs $35 to $50. Install takes 5 minutes and it stays for the life of the truck. $35 once. No more stripped threads, no more fighting drain plugs. And that's exactly the kind of repair most owners never see coming. Over the years, I kept seeing the same patterns on F-150s. Cheap maintenance items turning into expensive repairs. That's exactly why I built the Ford Longevity Blueprint. Link in the description. Number 3, greaseable ball joints. This one is especially important if your F-150 is leveled, and a lot of them are. The factory-sealed ball joints on most F-150s have no grease fitting. There's no way to service them. The grease inside breaks down over time, and once metal-on-metal contact starts, you get the play that causes clunking over bumps, steering that drifts, and tire wear that no alignment job can fully fix. Most owners don't notice the wear until the truck starts feeling loose and wandering down the highway. On stock height trucks, factory-sealed joints typically last 80 to 120,000 miles, depending on climate and road conditions. On leveled trucks, the suspension geometry is already under more stress, and ball joint failures at 40 to 60,000 miles are well documented in F-150 forums. Greaseable ball joints from Moog cost roughly the same as factory-sealed replacements, $35 to $75 per unit depending on application. The difference is a small Zerk fitting on the joint. Every oil change, 3 pumps from a grease gun. 30 seconds, about $2 in grease. The bearing surface stays lubricated. Moisture gets pushed out, and the joint can last significantly longer than a sealed unit, particularly under the additional stress of a leveled truck. A ball joint replacement on an F-150 runs $150 to $350 per side in parts and labor. Do the math on how many cycles that saves you versus spending $3 of grease every 5,000 miles. If your F-150 needs ball joints, don't replace worn sealed joints with the same sealed design. Upgrade to greaseable at the same time. With proper maintenance, you may never replace them again. 3 pumps of grease every oil change, a joint that can last significantly longer, especially on a leveled truck. Number 2, differential breather relocation. This might be the most expensive $20 mistake F-150 owners make, and almost none of them know it exists. Your rear differential has a small rubber breather nipple on top of the axle housing. Its job is to equalize pressure as the gear oil heats and cools during normal driving. When the diff runs hot, oil expands and air needs to escape. When it cools, air needs to come back in. The breather handles that exchange. Here's the problem. That breather sits about 12 inches off the ground on most F-150s. Drive through a deep puddle, hit a flooded intersection after a summer storm, cross a low water section on a dirt road. Water reaches that breather, and because the differential is actively cooling and pulling air in, it pulls water in with it. One event, one puddle deep enough, now you have water mixed into your gear oil. Water doesn't lubricate. The oil emulsifies, turns milky, loses its load-bearing properties. The ring and pinion start running without proper protection. Within a few thousand miles of contaminated fluid, you're looking at a differential rebuild. $1,500 to $3,000 at most shops. The fix costs $15 to $25 in parts and takes about 30 minutes. A length of hose from any auto parts store, a small inline breather filter, and a couple of clamps. Route the hose up to frame rail height where the water can't reach it. Pressure still equalizes normally through the extended hose. The differential stays dry regardless of what you drive through. Don't stop at the rear. The front differential and transfer case have breathers in the same vulnerable location. Relocating all three for under $60 total, hose, filters, and hardware, gives every sealed drivetrain component in the truck the same protection. $20 in 30 minutes. One deep puddle can turn this into a $2,500 differential rebuild. Relocate it before it happens. And here's the crazy part. Even if water never gets into your differential, most owners still destroy them for a completely different reason. Number 1, heavy-duty differential cover. Most F-150 owners never change their differential fluid because Ford made the job unnecessarily messy and annoying. That's the real problem this upgrade solves, and why it's the gold mine at the top of this list. The factory differential cover on most F-150s is thin stamped steel with no drain plug. To change the fluid, you have to unbolt the entire cover, let gear oil pour out from all sides, scrape the old gasket off the housing, reseal everything, and bolt it back together. It's a 45-minute mess that requires cleanup and a new gasket every single time. Because it's such a hassle, most owners skip it. And differential fluid that's been sitting for 100,000 miles barely does its job. That neglect is what kills differentials. Contaminated, degraded fluid can't protect the ring and pinion or the bearings. A rear differential rebuild on an F-150 runs $1,500 to over $3,000. The cover that prevents that costs $80 to $150. A heavy-duty aftermarket cover from Mag High-Tech, PPE, or similar manufacturers does several things simultaneously. It holds 30 to 50% more fluid than the factory cover, giving the differential more thermal mass and a larger buffer before temperatures climb into the danger zone. Cooling fins on the outside dissipate heat passively. Every mile you drive, those fins are working, and most importantly, it includes a threaded drain plug. That drain plug changes everything. What was a 45-minute messy job becomes a 5-minute fluid swap. Drain it clean, fill it, done. No gasket, no mess. No reason to skip it at the next service interval. When the job is easy, it actually gets done. And differential fluid that gets changed on schedule is differential fluid that can actually protect the gears. Most covers also include a magnetic drain plug that captures metallic debris circulating in the fluid. Same principle as the magnetic oil drain plug from earlier in this list. Every fluid change gives you a visual road on how the differential's wearing. Fine gray fuzz is normal. Larger particles are your early warning before the damage becomes a repair bill. The math is simple. $80 to $150 for the cover, $1,500 to $3,000 for the rebuild it prevents. And a drain plug that makes the maintenance so straightforward you'll actually do it. $80 in a drain plug. That's the difference between a differential fluid you actually change and a ring and pinion you eventually replace. Smart F-150 owners don't wait until they hear gear noise. They make differential service so easy it actually gets done. Ford Longevity Blueprint is in the description. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.